Hello everyone, and welcome! In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through setting up Hamo Tunnel Plus on your Android device. This setup will add an extra layer of protection to your online activities, provide an enhanced connection, and allow for secure browsing. Let's jump right in. 1. Launch Google Play Store. Begin by locating and opening the Google Play Store application on your Android device. This is where we'll find the Hamo Tunnel Plus app too. Search for Hamo Tunnel Plus. In the Google Play Store search bar, type Hamo Tunnel Plus and tap the search icon. 3. Install and open Hamo Tunnel Plus. Locate the Hamo Tunnel Plus app in the search results and tap the Install button. Once the app has finished installing, tap the Open button to launch it. 4. Access the menu. In the top left corner of the app's main screen, you'll find the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as a hamburger menu. Tap this icon to open the app's menu. 5. Perform an online update. Within the menu, locate and tap the Online Update option. This will ensure that the app has the latest server list and configuration settings. 6. Return to the home screen. After the online update is complete, navigate back to the app's main or home screen. 7. Select a server. Tap the server selection area. From the list of servers that appears, you can either choose Auto Select, which allows the app to automatically choose the best server for your connection, or manually select any available server, for example, UDP Server 1 VIP. 8. Choose a connection method. Next, you'll need to select a connection method. Find and tap the connection method option. 9. Select UDP, or your country from the available connection methods. Select UDP. If UDP doesn't work for you, try selecting your specific country from the list. 10. Connect to the VPN. Finally, tap the Connect button to initiate the VPN connection process. That's it. You've successfully configured Hamo Tunnel Plus, which will add an extra layer of protection, give you an enhanced connection, and enable secure browsing. Remember to use VPNs responsibly and according to local laws. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more helpful tutorials.